There was a time when getting your first motorcycle meant signing up for punishment. Heavy clutch, twitchy throttle, a seat so tall you needed a step stool, and a weight that turned every parking lot into a stress test. You didn't learn to ride back then, you learned to fight the bike. Every corner, every stoplight, every hill start was a battle between confidence and gravity. But the world of motorcycles has changed. Somewhere between the endless horsepower wars and the flood of electronics, manufacturers finally remember the people who just want to ride. They realize not everyone dreams of wrestling a 600-pound adventure tank or chasing lap times. Some of us just want something light, simple, and confidence-inspiring. Something that reminds us why riding felt like freedom in the first place. Now we've got a new generation of motorcycles. Machines that are small in displacement, but big on fun. They make beginners feel brave and veterans feel young again. Bikes that let you focus on the ride instead of your mistakes. And that's what this story is about. The rise of the lightweight beginner motorcycle in 2026. The bikes that don't just welcome new riders, but invite anyone to rediscover the joy of simplicity. If you love motorcycles that make sense, not just noise, hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week about bikes built for real riders who just love the road. Because in a world obsessed with bigger, faster, and louder, these machines quietly prove that the best motorcycle might just be the one that lets you breathe, smile, and keep going. Number 11. CF Moto 450 NK. The CF Moto 450 NK has been slipping quietly into showrooms, but it doesn't need to shout to get noticed. It's the bike that new riders swing a leg over and instantly feel at home. Calm, confident, and unpretentious, it just works. CF Moto built this one around a 449cc parallel twin, a smooth, friendly engine that feels alive without being jumpy. It's tuned for usable torque, not ego. Twist the throttle, and it responds exactly how you hoped. For anyone learning the rhythm of clutch and throttle, that predictability is gold. At just under 370 pounds, it's light in parking lots yet steady on the highway. The low seat and balanced geometry make every stop effortless. Wide bars, relaxed posture, levers that fall naturally under your fingers. Everything about it feels thoughtfully designed. Then there's the polish. The TFT display is crisp, the lighting all LED, and it includes switchable ABS and a slipper clutch. Features you'd expect on pricier bikes. The gearbox is smooth, the handling intuitive, and the confidence it returns is instant. It's not pretending to be a race bike or an adventure tourer. It's simply an easygoing machine that makes riding feel natural again. For 2026, it's one of the smartest beginner choices out there. A motorcycle that treats simplicity like a luxury. Number 10. Kawasaki Z400. The Kawasaki Z400 feels like it's been through finishing school. It's polite when you're learning, patient when you make mistakes, and just mischievous enough to keep things interesting. Kawasaki didn't build this bike to impress with numbers. They built it to prove that simplicity, done right, can feel perfect. Underneath its sharp, minimalist lines sits one of the most balanced beginner engines out there, a 399cc parallel twin that's both gentle and eager. It makes about 45 horsepower, which sounds modest until you feel how smoothly it delivers it. Power comes on clean and predictable, giving you confidence instead of surprises. At around 364 pounds, the Z400 feels like an extension of you. The upright seating position offers great visibility, while the low, narrow seat keeps both feet on the ground. The clutch is light, the gearbox clicks precisely, and the handling, pure Kawasaki, stays steady and intuitive through every corner. What makes the Z400 shine is the simplicity. It disappears beneath you, leaving only the ride itself. You don't fight it, you just flow. And somewhere between your first few shifts and your first smooth corner, you realize you're hooked. There are flashier bikes, louder ones too, but few this quietly confident. The Z400 is that reliable friend who always shows up. Dependable, easygoing, and exactly who you want along for the ride. Number 9. Honda CB500F. If motorcycles had personalities, the Honda CB500F would be that calm friend who never panics, even when everyone else does. It's composed, predictable, and easy to trust. From the first throttle roll, you can feel it's been refined through years of quiet perfection. The 471cc parallel twin is pure Honda, smooth, steady, and balanced. It's not about power, it's about harmony. Twist the grip, and it delivers exactly what you asked for. Nothing more. The engine feels alive but never demanding, which is why so many riders call it the perfect first real motorcycle. At about 416 pounds, it's heavy enough to feel planted but still light enough to maneuver easily. The upright bars, neutral seat, and low center of gravity make it a bike you can ride all day without strain. You're not hunched forward or stretched out, just comfortable, confident, and in control. What makes the CB500F special is how it grows with you. It starts out friendly and forgiving but stays rewarding years later. The build quality is solid, the suspension balanced, and the whole thing radiates reliability. Honda could have made this bike flashy. They didn't. They made it right. It's the bridge between learning and loving to ride. A motorcycle designed not just for beginners, but for anyone who wants something that simply works. Number 8. Yamaha MT-03. Some bikes feel like they're trying to impress you. The Yamaha MT-03 just wants to play. There's a lightness to it, not just in weight, but in attitude. The kind that makes even nervous new riders relax after a few minutes. Built on the same DNA as its bigger MT siblings, the MT-03 trades raw aggression for friendliness. Its 321cc parallel twin spins freely, offering enough punch for highways but never enough to overwhelm. The throttle response is crisp and forgiving, the kind that builds trust from your first ride. At about 373 pounds, it's one of the lightest full-size bikes you can buy. The low seat and wide bars make it easy to control, and the suspension, firm but not punishing, keeps it composed through corners and bumps alike. There's a youthful, cheeky spirit in the way it moves. The short wheelbase makes it nimble, the engine note adds just the right soundtrack, and everything about it feels eager without being wild. What makes the MT-03 great for beginners is how naturally it adjusts to your pace. Ride gently, and it's calm and composed. Push harder, and it rewards you with confidence. It doesn't just teach you to ride, it teaches you to enjoy it. Yamaha could have made another commuter. Instead, they built a small, reliable troublemaker that makes every ride a little more fun. Number 7. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 isn't in a hurry, and that's the beauty of it. In a world obsessed with power and performance, the Hunter moves at its own pace, reminding riders that sometimes slow is the point. Its 349cc air-cooled single makes a humble 20 horsepower, but on the road, it feels richer than that. The engine thumps along with an easy rhythm, calm, steady, and full of old-school charm. It's not about speed, it's about connection. The bike itself feels approachable before you even start it. The low seat, wide bars, and 400-pound curb weight make it unintimidating and easy to move around. The clutch is light, the control's intuitive, and everything about it feels like it's on your side. Once rolling, it settles into a relaxed groove. Smooth in traffic, steady on the open road, and surprisingly comfortable for its size. It's not built to rush, it's built to remind you what riding used to feel like. Styling stays classic. Round headlight, clean tank lines, and just enough chrome to catch the sun. It's a simple, honest machine that earns your trust one ride at a time. The Hunter 350 is proof you don't need to chase speed to enjoy riding. You just need a bike with heart, and this one has plenty. Number 6. KTM Duke 390. If every beginner bike had a personality, the KTM Duke 390 would be the class clown who somehow tops the exam. Sharp, playful, and full of energy, it turns even a trip to the store into an event. But beneath that mischief is serious engineering. The 399cc single-cylinder engine makes about 44 horsepower, enough to grow with you, yet never enough to scare you. KTM tuned it for smooth, responsive delivery, a perfect blend of excitement and control. At around 364 pounds, it feels almost weightless in corners and parking lots alike. The chassis is tight and responsive, the suspension firm but communicative, and the brakes, classic KTM, bite hard when you need them. Everything feels dialed in, designed to reward smooth inputs and good habits. That's the Duke's real trick. It teaches you to ride better without punishing your mistakes. It gives you feedback instead of fear. Beginners love it for its balance. Experienced riders love it because it still makes them smile. It looks wild, but that's part of its charm. The bright colors, exposed frame, and futuristic TFT dash make it feel far more expensive than it is. It's stylish without trying, and fast without ever feeling frantic. If the CF Moto and Honda are calm and composed, the Duke 390 is their caffeinated cousin. Fiery, fun, and full of character. It's proof that learning doesn't have to be slow. If you've made it this far, you're clearly not just window shopping. You actually get it. You care about bikes that make sense, that fit real riders in real lives. So if that sounds like you, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. We drop new videos every week about smart motorcycles, practical upgrades, and honest reviews. No hype, no dealership fluff, just real-world riding. Alright, let's get back into it, because the next few bikes prove that lightweight doesn't mean basic. Some of these are so refined, you might forget they're beginner bikes at all. Number 5. Honda Rebel 500. Every generation has a motorcycle that quietly becomes the starter bike, and for this one, it's the Honda Rebel 500. But calling it a starter almost feels wrong. This is a motorcycle that bridges classic looks, modern manners, and an easygoing attitude that suits almost anyone. The secret is how comfortable it makes you feel right away. The 471cc twin borrowed from Honda's CB500 lineup is smooth and predictable, delivering its torque low in the rev range. There's no drama, no lag, just steady usable power that lets you focus on the road, not your nerves. At about 408 pounds, it feels planted yet manageable. The 27-inch seat height means both feet flat on the ground, and that alone builds confidence. The controls are light, the clutch forgiving, and the relaxed seating position makes every ride effortless. But what riders love most is how adaptable it is. Commute, cruise, or explore, it does it all. And when you're ready to stretch your comfort zone, it'll happily go with you. On the highway, it hums along easily, calm, and steady. Honda gave it just enough edge, dark finishes, fat tires, minimalist bodywork, to make it look tough without trying too hard. It's approachable but never timid, stylish without being flashy. The Rebel 500 isn't about impressing anyone else, it's about giving you confidence, the kind that turns a new rider into a lifelong one. Number 4. Honda CBR 500R. The Honda CBR 500R looks like a sport bike built to intimidate, but the moment you ride it, you realize it's something else entirely. A calm, composed teacher wrapped in sharp bodywork. It brings all the style and excitement beginners want without any of the drama they don't. It's sporty, sure, but friendly in all the ways that matter. Honda built the CBR 500R around its proven 471cc parallel twin, an engine known for smooth, predictable power. It doesn't surge, it doesn't snap, it builds speed in this steady, reassuring way that helps new riders stay relaxed. Every twist of the throttle feels controlled and measured, letting you focus on your lines and your technique instead of your nerves. At around 423 pounds, it sounds heavier on paper, but once it's rolling, the bike feels light and balanced. The low center of gravity and slightly forward-leaning riding position give you confidence without forcing you into a full race crouch. The handling is crisp but never twitchy, and the suspension has that Honda just right feel, firm enough to teach you feedback, gentle enough not to punish your mistakes. The CBR 500R is also built to grow with you. Ride it gently and it's approachable. Push it harder and it responds with honest, rewarding performance. You can commute on it all week, carve back roads on the weekend, and still feel like you're learning something every time you hop on. It's stylish without being aggressive, capable without being demanding, and forgiving without feeling dull. Honda found the sweet spot, a sport bike that teaches, inspires, and sticks with you long after you've stopped being a beginner. Number 3. Yamaha YZF R3. Some bikes teach patience. The Yamaha R3 teaches precision. It's the kind of motorcycle that quietly turns beginners into riders, not by intimidation, but by feel. It looks and sounds like a sport bike, yet underneath that sharp bodywork lies one of the most forgiving and balanced machines you can buy. The 321cc parallel twin doesn't overwhelm, it encourages. It builds confidence with smooth, predictable power you can actually use. At low revs, it's calm and friendly, but twist it higher and it comes alive. That sweet middle ground between excitement and control. Yamaha nailed the art of engagement without anxiety. Weighing just 375 pounds, the R3 feels telepathic once you're moving. The suspension is firm but not punishing. the steering light yet stable, and the riding position sporty without discomfort. You can lean confidently, practice real technique, and grow without feeling out of your depth. That's the R3's secret. It lets you learn while it makes you feel. It delivers performance you can actually enjoy instead of fear. People call it the perfect first sport bike, but that sells it short. The R3 isn't just a beginner bike, it's a motorcycle that stays fun long after you've stopped being one. Number 2. Kawasaki Eliminator 500. The Kawasaki Eliminator 500 is what happens when a company actually listens to riders. It blends the spirit of a cruiser, the comfort of a commuter, and the smoothness of a sport bike into one effortless package. From the moment you sit on it, it feels right. The seat is low and wide, the bars fall naturally to hand, and the bike's balance puts you instantly at ease. Then you start it, and the 451cc twin hums with that calm, reassuring tone that tells you this is a bike you can trust. Borrowed from the Ninja 500 but tuned for mellow torque, the engine delivers power where beginners need it most. Steady, predictable, and easy to control. There's enough pull for highway speeds, but not enough to catch you off guard. It's smooth, forgiving, and always composed. At just over 385 pounds, it's light for a cruiser. The low-slung chassis keeps it stable, and the relaxed ergonomics make long rides feel natural. You don't wrestle with it, you just ride. Visually, it walks the line perfectly. Sleek, minimal, and modern without losing that cruiser soul. It looks approachable but confident, exactly how it rides. For beginners, it's the kind of motorcycle that builds trust in every gear. For returning riders, it's a welcome reminder that smooth, simple, and steady is still the best formula for freedom. Number 1. Honda CB300R. Some motorcycles don't just teach you how to ride, they remind you why you wanted to. The Honda CB300R does exactly that. Light, responsive, and honest. It's a motorcycle that makes every ride feel simple again. Weighing just over 310 pounds, it glides through city traffic like it's reading your thoughts. The narrow tank and low seat make it easy to handle, while the 286cc single hums with Honda's signature smoothness. Calm when you need it, lively when you want it. Twist the throttle and it responds with quiet precision, never rushing, never hesitating. There's beauty in its simplicity. Every control feels deliberate. The clutch, the gearbox, the bar position, all tuned to feel natural. The design matches that philosophy. Clean, minimal, and timeless. The Neo Sports Cafe styling gives it modern confidence without losing classic charm. For beginners, it's light and forgiving. For returning riders, it's a reminder that you don't need excess power or tech to have a perfect ride. The CB300R isn't trying to prove anything, it just lets you fall in love with riding all over again. It's motorcycling distilled. Elegant, dependable, and quietly brilliant. So there you have it. Proof that lightweight doesn't mean limited. These bikes strip away the noise and bring back the part that matters: the ride. They're built for confidence, comfort, and freedom. No intimidation, no ego. Which one would you take home? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video hit the mark, hit subscribe. Ride safe, ride smart, and keep it simple.